so this probably isn't going to be a good video because the lights are still out and the curtain's not open yet. But Vale is trying to cut off the fog. Fog is trying to ignore Vale. Little Fern Edie decided she was going to go get in its face. The garbage man's coming too, so expect a bunch of noise. That's Loki. Hey, what's everybody doing? Go make friends with Fog. Go make friends with Fog. Yes, hi Loki. Frog snuck in here this morning. He's not supposed to be in here. Tried so hard. They're like, hello, big cat. Welcome to our nest. Do you want to snuggle? He's like, no. Oh, that little chirping, wheezing sound is the baby bird or birds. I think I have more than one now. Nala is up but quiet. She's extremely jealous of the fact that the cats are all in my bed. Oh, sounds like Daddy got up to go check on Mom and the babies. But yes, as soon as I open the curtains, the whole room kind of goes a little crazy. So we're just enjoying a quiet moment. Not acknowledge other babies. What you doing, Fog? What you doing, Foggo? Huh? Foggo? Foggo looks a lot like Fern Edie's new big brother when she goes home today. Well, apparently it is bathing time.